this video, I'm going to be showing you how to apply the Frenchic wraps to your kitchen worktops.
You will need Frenchic wrap of your choice, the Frenchic wrap application kit, scissors, a ruler, a tape measure and a pencil. The first thing you're going to do is make sure the surface is nice and clean. Then you're going to take your tape measure and measure the area. You then need to take your Frenchic wrap and use the guidelines on the back to cut to size. Start off with peeling a little bit back and then placing it in the starting position. Then using the Frenchic application kit, you're going to want to smooth it out little by little. Don't worry if you don't get this right first time, all you need to do is peel the Frenchic wrap back and start again. If you do end up with any pesky air bubbles, then just pinprick it and smooth it out. On to the tricky part. Around the sink can be quite daunting, but just tell yourself X marks the spot. Once you know where you want your Frenchic wrap, you're going to cut an X in the middle and then cut the excess off, smoothing it out as you go along. When it comes to corners, score down the middle. This was a little bit different for me because my corners were rounded. This is where the hairdryer comes in. Using a little bit of heat, you can then make those corners perfect. The last thing to do is to make sure that you silicone round your sink. You don't want any water getting underneath.